Today we're going back to basics with a true American classic, the lobster roll. These bad boys are made with fresh, never frozen lobster meat, tossed in a luxurious blend of mayonnaise and lemon juice and served on toasted bun. They're easy to make and even easier to eat. So let's get cracking. I'm using about 1 pound of fresh cooked lobster meat for today's recipe. After which, I removed the claws and the knuckle sections from the body of the lobster. Then, using a nutcracker, I cracked the claws and the knuckles and extracted the meat. The secret to a perfect lobster roll is all about the quality of your lobster and the way you prepare it. You want to use the freshest lobster meat possible and chop it into bite-sized chunks while keeping some larger pieces for texture. To start, add the chopped lobster meat to a medium-sized bowl. In a separate small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped celery and 1 tablespoon of fresh chives. Lemon juice adds a nice brightness to the dish, while celery brings a fresh, crisp flavor that's not just sweet like a regular mayo. The chives or parsley add a nice fresh flavor, but you can use whatever you have on hand. Season the mixture with salt and pepper to taste and gently fold it into the bowl with the lobster meat. Be careful not to overmix or mash the lobster. You want to keep those big, juicy pieces intact. Next up, we're gonna toast our buns. Place the buns on a hot pan on each side until golden brown and the insides are soft. I like to brush my split-top buns with a little melted butter before toasting them. It adds a ton of flavor and richness to the finished product. Trust me, you don't want to skip this step. Now it's time to assemble these beauties. Carefully spoon the lobster mixture into the buns, making sure each roll is packed with plenty of lobster chunks. Drizzle a little extra melted butter on top for that rich, decadent flavor. And here you have it, the classic New England lobster roll. These rolls are best served warm, so if you're serving them up at a party, you might want to hold off on assembling them until the last minute. I like to serve them with a simple green salad and some crispy fries. But you can really serve these lobster rolls with anything. They're easy to make and even easier to eat. Plus, they're so delicious that even the most discerning lobster lover will be impressed. If you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes and techniques. Until next time, happy cooking!